In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an 8D audio on Soundation. Before we dive in, a quick note on what we're creating. The 8D effect is really a creative use of stereo movement and space that makes music feel like it's orbiting around your head. It sounds best on headphones, so plan to preview your work that way as you go. Start by setting up your audio. Open Soundation and drag your MP3 or WAV file straight into the arrangement area to create a new audio channel. You'll see the waveform appear on the track. Keep your levels safe by making sure the track isn't clipping. If the meters hit red, pull the channel volume down a little. If you're more advanced, you can duplicate the track to process left and right signals separately for extra control. But if you're just getting started, a single track with panning automation is perfect. Name your track so you can stay organized, especially if you plan to try different versions. Next, add depth so the movement feels like it exists in a room. Click the channel, choose plus add effect in the bottom panel, and select reverb. Set it subtly, around 20 to 40% on the wet control. You're aiming to simulate a believable space without drowning the original sound. If the mix starts to feel foggy or distant, dial the wet amount back. Small changes here make a big difference, and a gentle room-like ambience will help the motion feel natural. Now create the signature 8D movement with panning automation. This is the heart of the effect. On your audio track, click the automation icon, then choose Pan from the track's automation dropdown. You'll see a horizontal line appear. Click to add nodes along that line and shape a smooth wave-like S-curve. Drag the line up to send the sound left and down to send it right. Aim for fluid transitions rather than sharp zigzags. Smooth curves are what create that rotating illusion. For a standard 8D feel, one full rotation from left to right and back typically spans 4 to 8 bars. Match the speed to your track's tempo and energy. Slower for ambient or chill sections, faster for high energy passages. Use the grid and snapping to keep your moves consistent, and listen on headphones to fine-tune how wide and how fast the motion should be. If the panning feels too extreme, bring the peaks closer to the center for a more subtle glide. That's it. Import your audio, add a light reverb for space, and draw smooth panning automation for movement. With a few careful tweaks, your track will come alive in 8D.